Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two of the most powerful AI agents released in early 2026, Claude Opus 4.6 by Anthropic and GPT 5.3 Codex by OpenAI. These aren't just chatbots, they are agentic models meant for coding, reasoning, deep workflows, and real-world productivity. So stick around because we're covering everything you need to know. So let's get started. Claude Opus 4.6 is the latest flagship from Anthropic. It builds on previous Claude releases with deeper reasoning, larger context, and advanced coding capabilities. The big headline here is the 1 million token context window in beta, giving the model unprecedented ability to understand and work across entire code bases, long projects, and massive documents without losing context. What this means is Claude can load thousands of lines of code and think through dependencies, architecture, and multi-step logic all in one giant session, something previous AI models struggled with when the prompt length hit a limit. On the flip side, we've got GPT 5.3 Codex, OpenAI's latest agentic coding model, designed specifically to take AI beyond writing code into a model that actually operates like a real programming partner. GPT 5.3 Codex combines frontier coding performance with expanded reasoning and professional knowledge from previous GPT versions. It is faster and significantly more token efficient. OpenAI designed it not just to generate code, it can execute complex, long-running tasks, run tests, iterate on projects autonomously, and you can steer it in real time without losing context. Now, what are the main features of both platforms? For Claude Opus 4.6, there's a massive token context window in the beta version, thousands of lines of code or pages of text processed in a single session. There's adaptive thinking and effort levels where you can choose how hard the model should think based on task complexity. There's multi-agent team workflows that spawn multiple Claude agents to work on tasks in parallel and coordinate results. There's also deep reasoning and multi-stage planning. Here, you can sustain agentic workflows without constant supervision. And there's everyday work integration. Yes, there's enhanced Excel and PowerPoint features that make Claude suitable for document creation, financial analysis, and business intelligence tasks. How about GPT 5.3 Codex? Frontier agentic coding performance. Yes, top marks on demanding coding benchmarks. There's 25% faster inference. Yes, there's faster response and execution speed for big projects. There's interactive steerable execution. You can intervene mid-task, ask for adjustment, or refocus the workflow without having to restart. And there's multi-language and real-world execution. Yes, it works across multiple programming languages and environments, including terminals and IDEs. There's expanded agent capabilities beyond code. You can manage tools, run data analysis, and walk through research tasks. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? With Claude, there's the free version, there's the Pro version, and there's the Max version. The Pro version starts from $17 and the Max version from $100 per month when billed annually. And the pricing of Chat GPT, there's the Go, there's the Pro, and there's the Plus. Now, GPT 5.3 Codex is all part of the paid Chat GPT plans, so you can easily switch. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Claude, huge context windows. Yes, massive reasoning ability. It is strong for multi-step reasoning across projects and is excellent for long autonomous agentic workflows. And the pros of GPT 5.3 Codex? Strong coding benchmark results have been achieved. It has faster inference and iteration and is highly interactive. It is great for IDE use. How about the cons? For Claude Opus, slightly slower raw performance. And the writing quality sometimes is traded for deep reasoning. And the cons of using Chat GPT 5.3 Codex? It doesn't yet support ultra long context like Claude, and the pricing per token isn't transparent yet. So having considered these factors, which is the best? The honest answer is it depends on what you need. If you're building enterprise scale code bases, you're researching workflows, or deep agentic logic where context matters a lot, then Claude Opus 4.6 stands out because its massive context window and adaptive planning systems make it ideal for big, complex jobs. But if your focus is fast, interactive software development, especially where you want to iterate in real time within your IDE or terminal, then GPT 5.3 Codex shines. Its speed, strong coding benchmarks, and steerable execution model make it a better pick for hands-on development workflows. And that's it with the comparison between Claude Opus 4.6 and Chat GPT 5.3 Codex. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Google Gemini 3 Pro, Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.6, and Cursor AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.